Alright, y'all, welcome back to Studio 9 Kids. Today's song, we're going to learn Mary Had a Little Lamb. So, this one's pretty simple. Just to review, we've got the triplets here. Those notes are played da-da-da. Da-da-da. So, let's go down here and take a look at what that's going to sound like. And we've got one on the pink, so it's going to be the same thing. Okay? So, da-da-da, da-da-da. And depending on the speed of the music, the tempo, you know, it may go fast like, or, but this song is really not that fast, so it's going to go. Okay? And then, of course, we've got the 8th notes over there. That just goes da-da, da-da. So that's going to sound like, okay? So, and remember, the more we get into music, we'll get into correct notation. You know, we'll be introducing the rest and the dotted quarter notes and the dotted half notes. But, you know, we've just got to learn this a little bit at a time. So it is going towards that, but if anybody tells you the notation is not correct on here, they're absolutely right. But if I put a grand staff up here with all the correct notation, we're not going to be able to understand it. So, you know, we've got to go at a slow and steady pace. Anyway, let's get right into Mary Had a Little Lamb. This is, however, something that the kids can understand. As you've seen in my videos, you see kids in here all the time that have sat down the very first time and can play right through it. The biggest difficulty with the younger kids is reading left to right. So, you know, kind of parents need to just coach them on that a little bit. We start here and we go that way. Next line, go that way. The younger kids are going to get in here and try to match all the colors or all the shapes or whatever. So, just they're reading left to right. But as far as the colors, they can sit here and match these colors all day. Never sat down to it, never done it before, ever. Yellow, pink, purple, pink. 1, 2, ready, go. Yellow, pink, purple, pink. And then the fun part. Da, da, dum. Let's see. Pink, pink, pink. Yellow, green, green. So let's just take that from the top. Yellow, pink, purple, pink. Ready? 1, 2, ready, go. All right. So let's go ahead and break that into parts. Let's kind of play over that a few times, and the kids will start to get it probably a little bit memorized. We don't ever want to cram the whole song into them in one day if they're not ready for it. We do want to break it into parts. If they're ready, let's go ahead and move on. Okay? So for the next part of this, it's the same thing. Yellow, pink, purple, pink. So let's get into that. So yellow, pink, purple, pink. And then the next line, yellow, yellow, yellow. Alright, let's take the whole thing from the top. 1, 2, ready, go. Now don't forget to change it up a little bit. Let the kids show y'all how to play it, show each other how to play it, show their friends how to play it. One of the best ways to learn something is actually to teach something. So if they do understand it, let them have fun showing you a little bit. And you'll see us, little clips of that here and there of us doing that here at Studio 9. Anyway.
Now let's go is pink. That's red. That's pink. Let's try red. Well, I don't see any red. Oh, there's red right there. Where's red? Right. That's pink. Pink. There is up there.
Cousins, huh? They sound like a little couple. Thanks for stopping by. If y'all like what you see, don't forget to hit the subscribe. See y'all soon.